Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Lambda function triggers with EventBridge step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. From the console, navigate to the Lambda service. Locate the Lambda function you want to enable with EventBridge. Click on the function's name to open its configuration page. In the left-hand menu, find the Configuration tab. Under this tab, look for the Triggers section. Select Add Trigger to open the Trigger Configuration panel. From the Tragedy drop-down list, choose EventBridge, CloudWatch Events. Next, click on the option to enter a name for your new EventBridge rule. Provide a description that clearly outlines the purpose of this rule. Select the event pattern you want to match for triggering the event. You can choose to create a rule that captures specific event types or utilize a custom event pattern. Once you have selected the appropriate event pattern, scroll down to configure the target. Ensure your Lambda function is selected as the target. Enable the box that confirms you want to add the Lambda function as a target. Review your entries and click on the Create button to finalize the rule creation. After successfully creating the rule, you will be redirected to the EventBridge dashboard. From here, you can review the details of your new rule and ensure it is enabled. Return to your Lambda function configuration page. In the Triggers section, confirm that the new EventBridge trigger appears in the list of attached triggers. Conduct a test to ensure that the EventBridge trigger activates the Lambda function as expected. Monitor the execution logs to verify that the function processes the events correctly. Once confirmed, your Lambda function is now fully integrated with EventBridge triggers and ready to handle events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.